was scared and kinda used to being someone you love, but now the day